So Skip, you're a youth worker, and something has happened that you think or appears might be in violation of a church safety policy. You're not sure if it's something that you need to report or not. What do you do?
Yeah, this is a fantastic question, and every youth worker will be tested with this question on a too frequent basis. I mean, when you're talking about ambiguous behavior, you've heard a rumor, you think you know, you're not sure what happened. And there are two things to say that I think that are somewhat in tension with one another, but I think the tension can be reconciled. The first thing is we probably want a safe church policy that requires everything to be reported. And so every youth worker should first advert to their policy, because you must align with the policy, whatever your inclinations are. And I hope that the policy calls for virtually every significant concern to be reported. It's kind of an analog of the mandated reporter legislation. Don't worry about the investigation. You report. We'll then bring some other church elders into the picture to investigate. So reporting virtually everything so that your supervisory board that has been trained, your senior minister, leaders of the deacon board, et cetera, can reflect, even if it turns out there's no substance, they should have been involved so that you were not carrying the water of making the judgment yourself. But the second thing is, we are a church, we are an institution that believes in compassion, in love, in the capacity of redemption. We don't want an ambiguous circumstance to lead to the tarring and feathering of an innocent person who's caring for young people in your church. So there needs to be nuance in the policy that is strict enough in its supervision and reporting, but thoughtful and careful enough in not condemning or tarring someone just because there's been a report. There should be a presumption of openness, care, attentiveness, and thoughtful inquiry. And you're going to find a significant number of concerns may turn out not to have been a reason for continuing ongoing concern. Your safe church policy should create the level of training and sophistication among your supervisory board that they are able confidentiality to embrace all the possible reports, but then do the right and loving thing in teasing out the difference between those that need full investigation and those that were miscommunications.